Do you know that you can greet someone in Igbo based on what they're doing? Yes, just based on what they're doing. Okay, let's say you come across someone that is washing. You can say, Isawala, Isawala, Isawala. If you're talking to more than one person, you say, Uno asawala, Uno asawala. Okay, this is just like saying, are you washing? Have you started washing? Okay, another one is Irowala for someone that is working. Irowala, Uno arowala. Okay, another one is Ilola. Ilola, that's for someone that is returning home. Ilola, that is, have you returned? Ilola. Another one is Ibiala. 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 Okay, that's for someone that is just arriving. It's a way of saying welcome. Okay, but